Hello guys, it's Amir Hussein. I hope you to be fine. Also, I am fine. And in this very fun video, I'm going to show you how to change this boring image into this a little bit more attractive, not a little bit more attractive picture. How we can do this. This is the combination of too many colors that we don't want to do, that we want to emphasize on yellow colors or these things. Okay guys, let's start what I did. I want to have a backup. I press Ctrl J on keyboard to make a copy from the current layer. In this situation, that the first thing that we should do, we should select the yellow colors. I have a full tutorial about how select any color in the Photoshop. That is on my playlist on YouTube. Go and watch that. That is very useful for any kind of picture that you want to extract. Some part of that you want to do with color. Okay, well, I'm not showing that whole or explain what I'm going to do completely because there is a video in this video that the waste of the time. Okay, I will go to hue and saturation layer and you put this hue and saturation layer into difference blending mode. You can see this is a black, completely black document. Why? Because there is no difference between hues and saturation adjustment layer and this layer. If I move this, you can see the difference comes up. Now, because I want to select yellow color, in here I'm going to go to yellow colors. I want change hues or saturation only. I will boost the lightness to you see the yellow colors revealed. Okay, I want to have a one layer that contains this picture. Don't need these two layers. I will press Ctrl Shift Alt and E to have a screenshot that what we are seeing now. You can see only I have this picture. To change this yellow colors into selection part or the selection area, we must do some steps. First thing that we should do is change this into black and white. I'm pressing Ctrl Shift U to change this into black and white, or you can go to image adjustment, black and white, or here black and white. Now you can, I will with brush, with black brush, I will delete this area because I don't want these things on the picture be selected in my selection area. Because of that, I am painting black, pure black color on these parts of image that I don't want these to be selected. Let me open my brush setting, hardness, okay. This image is very high quality. I will show you the quality in a moment or a second. Just let me delete this area or cover with the black color because I don't want this area to be in my selection area. Also these parts. Now we should boost the white color on this picture. How we can do? I'm using levels by pressing Ctrl L, or go to here and use levels. This is another way. Go to image adjustment levels. There is three ways. I am pressing shortcut because I love shortcuts. I will boost the whites too much to have better selection area. Now the things that we should do, go to channels, hold Ctrl and click on this picture, not RGB or layer, just click on this picture. Now we selected the yellow colors. Now I will hide this. No, I don't want to hide. I want to reveal this and hide this. Now you can see we have yellow color selected. Now we don't want to change the yellows because I want to stay or remain the yellow colors. Because of that, I should inverse the selection area. How? We can go to select, inverse here, or using Shift Control I or Shift Command I on Macintosh systems to invert the selection area. Again, I'm using shortcut. Now I selected anything, any colors in this picture except yellow colors. Now I will go to image adjustment, black and white. Now you can see anything changed to black and white except color, yellow color. In here, this hammer right now, not sure it's hammer or not something else. This is red. I will get the red off from this picture. Also some greens, you can see here change. This is green, it changed to, if I move this like this, it will change completely to black, because I don't want to do that completely pure black. I'm not doing that. It depends on you, on your picture, how you want to stay your colors on the picture. Now I will unselect this area by pressing Ctrl D. You can see the yellow colors remain. All colors change to black and white. You can see I don't have too much saturated yellow colors. That is a little bit boring. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use hue and saturation adjustment layer. From these colors, I'm going to select yellow colors and boost the saturation of yellow. It is a little bit unreal or fake. This is completely black because we gained the saturation for this. I think this is a little bit realistic. Now you can see what we get. Just let me do this and make group for today's one. Now you can see this was a little too much boring. It wasn't any attractive picture. I changed like this. It is a little bit better. Okay, let's jump to another picture and show you another thing. I changed this color combination to black and yellow color. Also white is here. Again, I did the same thing. In here I boost the yellow colors, in here I boost the white colors, and this is the selection, the color changing to black. I didn't remain some colors from maybe yellow, red, orange or green. I completely delete them and make those completely black. This is depend on you, that how you want to it looks. Now in this fruit picture actually not pictures, again I remained the yellow colors because the combination of yellow and black is too cool. I love that combination. Now I want to remain the green parts of the picture. Just let me do those steps again. Change blending mode option of hue and saturation layer to difference. Go here and select greens, and now I want greens to remain on the picture. Now I will have a screenshot by holding Ctrl Shift Alt E. I have this layer only. Again I will change this into black and white. Press Ctrl L to activate level window and boost the white colors too much like this. Now again I will go to channel, click, hold Ctrl or Command on the Mac and click on this little window. Again going to layers and reveal this layer and hide this layer. Now I have selected all green colors on pictures, but I don't want to make the greens black and white, something like this. I want to change the color of these colors into black and white. Because of that, I'm going to invert the selection area like this. All parts of the picture is selected except green color. Again, go to image adjustment, black and white. Now you can see all green parts remain. Going hue and saturation, select greens and boost the saturation of greens color, something like this. That's cool thing. That is a little bit better from that we started. Just let me change the greens into black and white. But see, it is not a little bit, it's not very attractive. Again, that yellow color is better for this. Again, go to this picture. This is another picture. I did the same thing, the same steps for achieve this effect. I select this and this yellow color, not sure what it is. It, I think it's McLaren car. I choose the yellow color and boost the saturation of yellow colors. That's it. This picture is a little bit more attractive than these pictures. I forgot to show you the quality of this picture. Now you can see this is 5000 by 3000 of 240 dpi, which is dot per inch or ppi, pixels per inch. That there are no difference. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Stay tuned for every night updated except Fridays, because Fridays are off. And like, subscribe, and feel free for ask me any question that you have with Photoshop. And if you want my PSD files from all my videos, just send me an email. I will write my email address down in description. Follow my Instagram and have a good life. Okay guys, see you not next day, at night after the next night. See you soon guys, bye.